So my wife is going to try. Here you go. It's hot.
The one that we ate in Sri Lanka. Wow.
Article paya is getting ready. This is my wife did.
It's good. Oh, that's a good one. Welcome to another video.
Thank you for watching the previous video that we went to eat Sri Lankan restaurant. Everybody liked it and we liked it today. Since my wife liked the IDIYAPPAM, that's a string hopper, she wants to go try again. I told her, you know what, let me make it for you. So I know how to make it, and I'm gonna do with the article paya, which is the goat leg.
Like a goat feet.
Yeah, goat feet. So we went to Alibaba. It's an international grocery store.
When we went to the Sri Lankan restaurants, the way the chef made it, everything, she made it from scratch.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I'm so excited. You're gonna try again.
Yeah, it's
what do you call the name again?
IDIYAPPAM.
IDIYAPPAM.
Yeah, IDIYAPPAM. I'm going to make Bayvita style article paya. It's not like the usually, it's not red color. I'm gonna use without tomatoes, but I know my wife is gonna like it. I'm just gonna show you guys, and first showing how to make a paya.
Ooh, this is a new stuff. I can't wait to test it.
But anyway, guys,
and I'm here to help him always.
Yeah, always she helps me.
I'm always behind the camera, making sure that I'm helping him.
She does all the stuff behind the camera. Alright guys, first I'm going to use coconut oil. So the oil is already hot. So I have here cloves, cardamom, fennel seeds, and this one jadipu. So I have a yelaka, krambu, sombu. So I'm going to put first here.
When I go back to watch these videos, that's how I learn how to cook Indian food mostly. But look at this, wow.
Yeah, you guys can see here, I already cooked the goat, already put some spices and salt. So it's already cooked, it's ready to go. All I have to do, fry the onion, and I will show you guys how I prepared before I boil. So here, so I have red onions and green chili. So onion is getting ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make rice flour with the hot water for IDIYAPPAM. So I have this one, my mom sent me this one. Yeah, I have multiple plates. Well, I don't know what is this one called, but I'm going to use this one. This is that it comes with it. So put the dough here, put the shape here and cover it and make the dough. I put it here and I'm going to make it. So anyway, let me mix. I have a idli pot, also my mom sent it to me. So I have a rice flour here, hot water is getting ready, I have a salt here, so I'm gonna mix it up. I just need a little bit, you don't want too much. I'm gonna put a little bit, like pinch of salt, then whenever the hot water is ready, I'm going to mix it up. So onion is getting ready, like I said. So for this stage, I have a ginger garlic paste, I'm gonna put it here.
Oh, it smells really good.
Right, yeah, smells already good. The hot water is ready. You guys can see here. You can see the temperature here. It's a 209 temperature. So this is a perfect time. I'm gonna put a little bit of the hot water, mix it up. Guys, this kettle is really good. We make coffee. We got it from Costco.
So easy.
It's a good deal. He has a filter, so you can put the water. So it's really good, guys. We like it.
It's similar. It's like the way you mix parota, maybe.
Yeah, same like paratha, but you know, this is like you make it like a dough. I put salt too. You know what? I can put a little bit oil too. So I'm also putting a little bit oil. So when we make the dough, it's not gonna stick and it's gonna be like nice. So it's ready already. I'm gonna use my hand. Yeah, it's hot still. In the meantime, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna put some water here. I'm gonna put in the stove so it can be ready too. Yeah, it's hot. So.
But you have to do it when it's still hot so it won't be cold, right?
Yeah. So I'm going to use spray a little bit so it doesn't stick. And also here a little bit. So what I'm going to do, take a full dough. So put it here. Take this one.
Wow. is so cool. It's like noodles.
Yeah. So I'm going to put here. I'm going to take another dough. Yeah. It's good to do when it's hot. Otherwise, it's going to be too tight. So I'm getting already tight. You know. So here.
That's amazing.
So I'm gonna make it more dough. You guys can see how to do it, guys. It's so easy.
Not easy, baby. I don't think I would do it. You want me to try?
Yeah, come on, try.
My hand hurts.
So yes, ready. And I'm going to set it up this one here. 5 to 10 minutes is going to be ready. Yeah.
And then here.
And this one, so I will put turmeric powder, little bit cumin powder, little bit cilantro powder, right? Cilantro, it's a coriander powder, guys. Dhaniyan solomla nama Tamilla adha. So I mix it up. In the meantime, I'm going to put the cooked AATTU.
Wow.
And I'm going to put some water too, because when you eat idiyappam, it has to be a little bit watery. So I think that's good. Yeah, I didn't put tomatoes. So this is, like I said, this is a buy-wheat style. Once it's boiled, I'm going to finish with coconut. Here I have a coconut. I'm going to blend it with the kasa poppy seeds. So I put some dried grated coconut and a little bit poppy seeds. நம்ம கசகசான்னு சொல்றோம் பாத்தீங்களா அது போட்டு like mix பண்ணிக்குவோம். So I put a little bit water. I'm going to blend them. So whenever it's AATTU paya is ready, it's boiled. So I'm going to pour on the gravy. I'm just going to finish it. So AATTU paya ready. In the meantime, idiyappam is also ready. So when everything's done, we're going to taste. And of course, I hope my wife is going to like it.
I would like it. It smells already. It smells really
Yeah,
great.
it smells good, guys. I hope you guys hear, especially with the coconut oil. Oh, you know what? I forgot curry leaves. We can put curry leaves, but I didn't put curry leaves.
Wow.
AATTU paya is getting ready. I know it's changed a little bit color, but I'm okay with it. Still cooking, you know. So this is the one I made a paste with the coconut and poppy seeds. I'm going to finish this one. Idiyappam, they cook in Kerala, you know, Sri Lanka, Tamil Nadu. I think there's a lot of places they cook, but this is like, you know. Oh, now look the change color, guys.
It
You
looks
see?
really different. Looks really good.
Yeah, like I said, I didn't put curry leaves. Curry leaves is gonna go good flavor. So once I put this one, I put coconut. Let me close it a little bit.
So
Let's
boil
check.
a little bit.
Yeah, let's boil a little bit. Let's check our idiyappam.
Idiyappam. Ooh.
So already I put a 10 minutes timer, so it's ready. So I'm gonna flip it.
Wow.
So you see, it's like idli.
It's really cool.
It's hot.
The one that we ate in Sri Lanka was a little bit brown. It's like different.
Yeah, different. I think the different flour they put. Since we cooked in idli batter, I mean idli pot is going to be the idli shape. I put a little bit deeper. That's why it's like a chunk, like a big, like a fat. Yeah, idiyappam ready, guys. So my wife wants to try. Last one batter. Come on, try, honey. So my wife is going to try. Here you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Ooh, that looks good. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, that's good. Just, yeah, it's gonna cut by itself, right? Wow, my wife is doing good, guys.
Oh, this is the first time. It's a lot of work.
Whoever lives in Trichy, you know where I get this. What is the idiyappam puliyarudhu? Mangal and Mangal. You guys know already where it's located. So,
Damn.
yeah.
I don't think I would do this every day. Sorry, but I would love to eat it. Oh, look at my husband is so quick.
Yep.
Came out really good though.
Yeah. So this is what looks, guys, after I put in coconut. You guys see? Oh my God. I love the smell. I like the color. Let me taste this one. If you need more salt. So everything looks good. Color looks good.
Oh, wow.
Idiyappam's ready. AATTU paya ready. Let's try this food and let's see what is my wife is going to say. You ready, baby?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Wow, thank you so much, honey. This was so quick.
This is my wife did.
It's good.
It's good. It's good, you know. She's good. She says she want to do it one time.
Look at the
first
title.
time. First try, you know. So this is usually they do you know, without shape at the
At
restaurant.
the restaurant, it was really like
Bigger, right?
bigger than that.
Yeah.
So they're professional.
Yeah.
This is so amazing. This is really great.
So,
Thank you for
I'm gonna put
trying
it here.
this. Thank you. Wow.
The one you cook, the one she made it, I'm going to take that one. I was gonna
Oh,
do
you
it.
got my two and I got your one?
Okay, here.
Oh.
And try the.
So I can
Camera.
just put it on top and this is nice. Thank you.
Yeah, put on the top. You're right. Yep, that's how you do.
Same like that.
The reason I made it a little bit watery, so it's good for idiyappam.
Idiyappam.
Oh, look, try this one, honey. Bigger
This one?
They have the hoof. What do you call the claw? The feet.
Oh.
You see the cut?
Yeah, I see that.
Ooh, a lot of collagen. I can't wait to taste.
Yeah, baby.
Just put on the top.
A little paya. Nice.
That's good.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead, baby.
Oh my gosh, it feels like I'm eating fufu. You know the ugali?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I like that.
How is
Wow, this is so delicious.
it?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, it's already, I'm feeling it.
This is
I think a little bit salt, needed a little bit salt.
no, it's
Perfect.
perfect.
I need a little bit salt, but it's good for me.
The coconut, I can taste the coconut.
Can't wait
Wow.
to taste this collagen, guys.
This is so
Look at the collagen.
good.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Look at that good feet.
Oh yeah. The reason why I burn it in the torch
Yeah, I
because
see
of
right
the
here.
hair, you know, in the between the claw, it has a hair.
And now, not only that, like, you know, the taste too. It will taste different. It tastes just like back home. You know, in my country, we cook like this, similar to this actually. So we actually mix it with like tomato, like, you know, like make like a soup, like a stew. Ooh, that's a good one.
Ooh. நம்ம ஊர்ல வந்து நல்லின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல, இது கிடைக்கிறது லக்கிங்க. Bone marrow, it's gonna taste so good.
Look at me, I'm enjoying delicious the spices. Oh, so good. This is so good.
My excitement was eating the article, the collagen, right?
You can,
So good.
You can taste the,
Yeah, the jelly stuff, right?
yeah, it's so delicious.
The article pie, I mean the idiyappam. Yeah, I'm not.
Is
I mean,
this reminding you of the crab?
oh yeah, the crab one. One Sri Lankan restaurant. If you haven't watched the video, go click the link in the description. Go watch the video. The Sri Lankan food. We try crab curry. It was everything spicy. This is spicy too.
But that one was more spicy.
Yeah, but I liked it. She was like, "Oh, it's too spicy," but we ate it. But like I said, we have a lot of similarities. Like we show in our previous videos. You guys can go take a look. I think we have so much similarities. And that's why we connect together. What, almost like 13 years?
Going 13 years, guys.
Yeah. No, we passed 13 years.
Past 13 years. Okay, so I don't even count. Anyway, you did an amazing job.
Thank you.
This was really great experience.
Look at this, guys. I'm enjoying. Let's enjoy food. I'm so glad she liked. Look,
And
she's
I'm
still eating
with
even the
my
bone.
hand. Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching our video. I know that we've been. What are you doing?
I'm just looking for more bone marrow, but it's done already.
We try our best to upload as much as we can. So today, this was really great video to share with you guys. If you like this video, leave thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye.